Hello everyone, welcome again to day 10 of my 12 days of Christmas video series. This is number 10. Oh, such a cute element wear. I love the way you package them all up with the beautiful dots and the gold and all these layered tags and number. So I'm trying to open this one as good as I can, trying to save all the papers as much as possible. And this is, I believe, again a beautiful handmade goodie. A beautiful pillow box here. I love this paper as well. I used it to create lots of Christmas workshops with these paper pads as well. Loving the bow that you have here, and I feel, oh wow, a whole load of beautiful poinsettia flowers in different mix of colors and beads inside. Such a cute series of the paper pads as well, and I just love the layering. Let me just show you the 4 different styles a bit up and close. Really cute. This must have taken you a long time as well, probably watching the TV and prepping up for the papers and doing it all at one time. But I love it. Thank you so much, Brigitta, for this series as well. Loving the colors. Can't wait to start playing with all of these, and I cannot wait to share with you the last 2 videos that will be coming up soon. Talk to you. Bye bye.